Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Mario Galaxy on Dolphin. First, you'll want to download the latest stable version of the Dolphin emulator. Head to their official website and grab the installer. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a new, dedicated folder on your computer. It's also a good idea to quickly check that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the emulator to run smoothly, ensuring a great experience. Next, you'll need the Super Mario Galaxy game file itself. It's important to acquire this legally, perhaps from a backup of your own game disk. Make sure the file is in a format that Dolphin recognizes, typically an ISO or WBFS file. Once you have it, place this game file into a folder that's easy to find, as you'll be pointing Dolphin to this location very soon. Now, open the Dolphin emulator. Go to Config and then Paths to add the folder where you saved your Super Mario Galaxy game file. This allows Dolphin to find your game. After that, dive into the graphics settings. You can tweak things like internal resolution and anti-aliasing for a visually stunning experience. Finally, set up your controller. Whether you prefer a gamepad or keyboard, Dolphin offers flexible options. With everything configured, you're ready to play. Simply double-click the Super Mario Galaxy title that now appears in your Dolphin game list. The game should launch, allowing you to enjoy this classic adventure with potentially higher resolutions and smoother frame rates than ever before. Feel free to experiment with different settings as you play to find what works best for your system and personal preferences. Have fun exploring the cosmos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.